Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2013 BMW X3 Xdrive in the black finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a local Calgary car. Some of the features include LED daytime running lights, front-facing fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, light controls, power folding side mirrors, and the power windows, power adjustable front seating with driver's seat memory seating, hands-free controls, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, power lock switch, heated front seats, drive mode select, electronic parking brake, park assist sensor switch, panoramic sunroof, black interior, in great shape, rear heated seats, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.